Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a lace coaster. I am using a 3mm crochet hook size and a 3-ply crystal yarn for this project. So first of all, make a slip knot. In the first round, we would use this plastic ring. So make a slip stitch of this yarn into this plastic ring to join it. Now draw a loop. We have 2 loops. Pull the yarn through these 2 loops. This is called our single crochet stitch. Now make single crochet 2 into the ring. Remember, weave this yarn end inside these single crochet stitches so that we don't have to weave them separately. Now make single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, and in this way make total of 24 single crochet stitches into this ring. So I have made 24 single crochet stitches. If you don't have space, then just pull these stitches at the back side to make a space for more stitches. Now cut the extra yarn strand with the help of cutter and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Our first round is completed. To start the second one, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the second single crochet stitch and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now go into the third single crochet stitch and make a double crochet into it. Then go into the fourth single crochet stitch, make a double crochet into it. Stitches are so tight, so it will be a little bit difficult to work in these stitches. You would feel a little bit yarn tension also. So make double crochet in every single crochet till the end. I have made 24 double crochet stitches including our first 3 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and our second round is also completed. Now we would start the third round. For third round, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, which will be counted as a triple crochet stitch, which is also called treble crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook twice, go into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3 and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then through other 2 loops, and in the last through other 2 loops to make a treble crochet stitch or a triple crochet stitch. Now make 3 chains, wrap the yarn twice around the crochet hook, go into the next double crochet stitch without leaving any stitch and make a treble crochet into it. Wrap the yarn twice again, go into the next stitch, draw a loop and make a treble crochet into it by pulling the yarn through 2 loops 3 times. Make 3 chains. Again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook twice, go into the very next double crochet stitch and make a treble crochet into it. Make a treble crochet into the next double crochet stitch also. Then make 3 chains and make treble crochet into the next double crochet stitch and again make a treble crochet into the next double crochet stitch. So this is our pattern. Make treble crochet in next 2 stitches plus 3 chains till the end. So I have made all stitches here. In the last, make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the 4th chain of first treble crochet, because chain 4 is counted as treble crochet stitch. Now make a slip stitch into the treble crochet stitch, then make a slip stitch into the chain 3 space, because we would work into the chain 3 space. Now make 3 chains, which will be counted as our double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet into this chain 3, again make a double crochet into the chain 3. Now we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Now make 3 chains into the same chain 3 space, again make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Then we would work into the next chain 3 space right here, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, then make 3 chains and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. So in this way make 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochet in every chain 3 space and complete this round. So I have made all stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. We have to work into the chain 3 space, so make a slip stitch into the double crochet stitch after chain 3, then into the next double crochet stitch, and after that into the chain 3 space make a slip stitch, make chain 1, then make a single crochet into this chain 3 space. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6. After making 6 chains, make a single crochet into the same chain 3 space, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6 and make a single crochet into the next chain 3 space of shell. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6 and make a single crochet into the same chain 3 space of shell. Again make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6 and make a single crochet into the chain 3 space of shell and make chain 6 and make a single crochet into the same chain 3 space. So repeat this process and complete this round. Now in the end make 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 and make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round. Now we would start working into this chain 6 space. Make double crochet, one, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. After that make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 go into the same space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5, then make a single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 6 space, then go into the chain 6 space of shell, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5, make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5, make a single crochet into the next chain 6 space. So repeat this process of making 5 double crochet, chain 3 and 5 double crochet in chain 6 space of shell and a single crochet in another chain 6. So now I have made all stitches. In the last, make a single crochet in this last chain 6 space, and then to join this shell with the single crochet, make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of this shell, and then pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of tapestry needle, we would weave this yarn end at the back side of our coaster. So take this yarn by pulling the needle through back side, and in one stitch make a knot with the help of needle like this way. Our stitches would not get loose by making a knot in this way. Then pull the needle through some backside stitches and cut the extra yarn strand. Now our flower coaster, which is lacy stitch coaster, is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. So if you like it, give it big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.